Are you ready for a joyride? Here comes a bundle of fun with legs in turbo mode. Alright, let's get started with a fun adventure. First up, we're going to draw a big old circle for our boy's head and a line for his body. Easy, right? Next, we need a huge smile. Tell me, who here has the biggest smile right now? Try to outsmile him. Time for some big, cheerful eyes. Little nose, just enough to sniff out fun. And let's give him an ear so he can hear all the cheering when he runs by. And look how his hair is flying in the wind. And these lines are here to make it look like he's wearing glasses. I think we are ready for legs. First, draw one leg in front, because he's running like he's being chased by the rear leg, trying to catch up. What do you think? Who can run faster, you or him? Let's raise one arm high like he's saying, "I'm the champion," and drawing the other arm, helping him run even faster. And we are almost there. Just a little hat to top things off. Just in time for some marker lines magic. Let's pick up our marker. It's time for even more fun. We'll start with his eyes. Let's make them shine like the sun. We outline the nose, so small and so round. A little bump of joy, so sweet and profound. Now we'll draw that big smile, wide as can be. It's full of happiness, just like you and me. Let's draw his ear to hear all the fun, and shape his side of the head. Look at him run. His hair's blowing wild, caught up in the breeze. With his hat on his head, he's racing with ease. Time for the shirt and the hands in the sky, waving to his friends as he zooms by. With a skip in his step and a smile on his face, he's racing through laughter, bringing joy to the chase. Let's add the front leg, like a rocket in space, and the rear leg pushing, keeping up the pace. Now when we are at the finish line, let's pick colors that thrill, to make our running boy pop, with joy and goodwill. Great job, Scribble Peeps! One more awesome drawing is done. Don't forget, you can find even more fun free videos like this at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!